day because Jeff Tweedy of the group Wilco has a new song. So let's listen. I'm gonna play a little and then we'll talk about it. It's you. Okay, so that's the main part of the song, and what it is a G to C to G. The G has like a that final time back to the G. It kind of pauses and it has a little shuffle feel. Okay, so just try to work that in. You don't have to play the shuffle, but just, you know, on the rhythm, get the feel of the shuffle in terms of the beat. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Something like that. All right, they play a little introduction, and I'm not exactly sure. I haven't seen them perform it, so it's possible they could even be using a capo. I don't know, but I just played and that is just a G chord, and then I'm hammering on to the open D and playing the open G. All right, and you can leave out that part too. And like I said, you could on the shuffle part even play that D. So however you want to work that in is fine. But after the third time of going G to C, 1, 2, 3. Goes back to G. Does a quick change to E minor. Ooh. And then goes G. Guess again. It's you. G to C, back to G. All right, and there is a bridge on this, so let's talk about that. It maintains the same rhythm of the verse. Shuffle, shuffle. Then goes back to the verse. So the first time it's D. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a D, C, A minor, then back to D. So the A minor is almost like a passing chord. Then goes D, C, A minor. And then from the A minor it goes back to the G. Covered the verse with the refrain. We've covered the bridge. Let's talk about the guitar. There's a guitar playing almost, you know, whenever. It's very loose. It just kind of comes in and out. Here's one riff I hear it playing. That is fret 14 on the G string. You hit that with your ring finger. And then with your pinky, you play fret 15 on the B string. And you bend. That's the kind of riff they're playing. It's E minor. Here I'm playing some double stops. Here I'm playing those double stops. That's just simply on your string 1 and 3. Look at the 14th. Just bar it with your ring finger. At the 12th, you can play that. And then at the 10th and 11th, just your high E and G string. Those are called double stops. They're two notes in harmony. Goes into this E minor extension box. It's at the 15th and 17th on the E string, 15, 17 on the B string, 16 on the G string. And I think he may be playing some double stops in there. Something like that. Okay, so that wraps it up for this song. Guess Again. It's really catchy, and Jeff Tweedy is probably one of our greatest living songwriters. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.